Hello. It looks like we are back once again, 2 days in a row. This guy is on fire. Who even knows what's going to happen? Like, absolutely bonkers. Because I don't know. But it is 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are once again gonna do Nobody Knows, because that's just how I like to roll. Let's see. Twitchy Twitch, what are you saying about my stream? Oh, they're saying stable. All right. Perfect. We're just gonna hang out. Don't know what we're gonna do today. Thinking we might do some Pico 8. That's what I keep wanting to do, and then I keep bailing on it and doing other random things because I am highly influential when it comes to what people want to do in the chat. It's just how I roll, but I do just want to listen to some tunes while we see if anybody wants to join today. Come one, come all. To the show. Can I spin all the way around? Yes, I can. How fantastic. What a life. What a life we lead. Well, while nobody's on here, I might just do a little work, which you won't be able to see. But, oh yeah, let's see what the stream banner looks like today. I keep forgetting that I like to do this. Hopefully everyone can hear. I got it recording. I'm streaming. We're all over the place. We got 0 drop frames. I'm starting to think that OBS might just be lying to me, but who knows? Oh, there we go. What do we think of that? That's not bad. I mean, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, wait. Can I change? What? Hold up. Hold up. Did they just add? Oh, I can draw on this. That's new. I haven't played around with that. Interesting. I don't know who Nighthawk is, but I'm glad I'm promoting them. Thanks, Gemini. Don't even know who I am. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that. That's new. I mean, it seems kind of useless and pointless. I don't know what you would like to sit here and draw, but I like useless, pointless things. So does my wife. Classic. Absolute classic. Okay. Well, I'm just going to see what's going on at work for a little bit because I think I got everything done. Got it done enough to put myself at a time where I could do a little stream. I am super jealous that I can't be at React Miami tomorrow. I need to become much more popular streaming so that I can afford to go down to all these conferences and just hang out. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's ever going to happen. Oh, I didn't see this because they did it after I left for the day, but shout out to a couple new follows. Nightshade Dude, thank you, my man. The funniest thing about Nightshade Dude is that I had put him as a mod like 2 months ago because that's just what you do, is what I'm told. And Detroit Jr. Thanks, man. Thanks for the follow. That's sweet. Sorry I missed that yesterday. I think you guys probably followed me after we raided the old Loki, who is also streaming right now. I was noticing that they've got this collab feature. Maybe we should ask Loki to do that one time. I don't know what it does. I should message him. I'll message him. I'm not going to try and surprise him right now, but I'll message him. Okay. So, while we're just kind of hanging out, I'm just really quickly looking at the old, at just some work emails, which you guys can't see, but maybe I can put something cooler up in here for you. Should we do we could do some more periodic table training. That was actually a lot of fun. I ended up doing it with my wife later in the day, and it was a blast. What else could we do? What could we do? We could just get started on Pico 8 stuff. I could just do it. Who cares? You know? Who cares? That could be fun. What else could we do? Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know what I want to do since there's nobody here? I want to look into how do you set up like hotkeys for scenes. I've never done it before in OBS, and I don't know how. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just don't know how to do it. I'm sure if I looked and paid a little bit of attention to what I was doing. Is it in scripts? Oh, it could be. Anyways, you know what? I'm not going to do that right now. It sounds too boring. I don't feel like it. So there, me. Okay. Awesome. I guess I could probably just try shutting up for a few minutes. That would be something. But I don't know how to do that. I just like to chat. Even if no one's here, I like to talk to myself. We could play some games. Nintendo, maybe? Oh, I don't think I have. Where did I put it? Oh, it's up here. I'll get it later. Okay, let's see. Anything exciting happening here? No. Why is this not working? That's actually annoying. I was trying to set something up earlier today, and it's just not working. Whoops. Okay, well. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Why is DaVinci Resolve open right now? I mean, I guess I'll download an update. Sure, why not? Why not, DaVinci? See how much bandwidth you can take and see if it'll kick me off, because I'll lose too much juice on the old stream. Oh, maybe I should make a note that I'm live. That would be smart. Hello. Hello. Oh, nope. Hello, friends. I am currently talking to myself on a stream. It's about as exciting as you would imagine, which is to say that it is incredibly exciting. Come join me on all the socials. Once you stop, I guess I could watch the Framework thing. They're doing a bunch of announcements. Is that still happening? Let's find out. YouTube. No, not Creator Studio. Ah, just want to... No. 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 I don't want to go to Creator Studio. Oh, OpenAI is doing Images 2.0. Yeah, that makes sense. What else? Making RAM at home. That's fun. What other videos do I have? Is the Framework thing done? Did they already finish? Oh, that's me live. What? Where's Framework? Are they already done? Framework. Oh yeah, they're done. 49 minutes ago. Well, do we want to rewatch it? I didn't watch it, so that could be fun. Hello, what's up, YouTube? All right, let's listen to some of this announcement. Why not? Well, I'm gonna pause the old tunage. Go back over here. I don't want full screen. Isn't there like a theater? Yeah, there you go. Theater mode.
It's time to kick off today's launch. Please welcome to the stage Framework's founder and CEO.
Is that loud at all? Probably not, eh? Can anybody hear this?
All right.
That seems very quiet.
Who's excited? Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna turn this up.
Thank you all for being here today.
Hopefully that's not too loud.
It's an interesting time in the PC industry. AI is changing everything.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I had my
For the
thing
first time
turned
in
down.
history, more silicon is actually going into the cloud than it is into personal computers.
Let's see.
What it means to own a computer at all is fundamentally different than it was even a year ago.
Oh, wait, what? I'm not subscribed to these guys? Oh, I gotta subscribe to Framework. Framework is epic. They are on my list of new... You're a little quiet, by the way, but I can still hear you. Okay, how about now? Does that sound a little better? And how's the... Does the volume of the video okay? Is it decent? I always hate... I need a better way to, like, know what it actually sounds like on stream, but I also just like to turn up music and stuff way louder in my headphones than what it sounds like on stream. I need need somebody else to I need the help of the crew. But yeah, this framework announcement is pretty epic. That I don't want to spoil anything, but pretty excited about what they've got. As soon as I need a new computer, I'm getting a framework. I just had bought one, unfortunately, right before I realized that I wanted one. Okay, let's see. All right.
Effectively infinite compute from the cloud by the hour or by the token, instead of having it sit at your desk. So what does this mean for Framework? What does it mean for our mission? Today, I'm excited to unveil.
Oh man, you can totally tell behind them that they're gonna showcase. Well, my assumption is they're gonna showcase a new laptop and a new desktop, and I already heard about the new laptop, so that one's kind of cheating. Although Theo also mentioned, I saw on Twitter he was talking about the new keyboard, so maybe that's what's under here. I guess we'll find out.
A new phase for this company. Today, we're introducing Framework AI.
Oh.
Obviously, we're not actually going to do that. I mean, no one in this audience
That was actually really good.
in the slightest by that.
That was awesome. I actually really like that. I love that like the audience did not care at all. And it was just like, yeah, no, you are not doing that. But that was actually a funny joke. Nicely done.
By that joke, unfortunately, maybe some people online, I don't know. This industry wants you to own nothing and be happy. We're fighting for a future where you can own everything and be free.
I like that. That's a good line.
That's right. We think a personal computer actually should be personal. Something that you can own at the deepest level and do what you want with. Whether that's choosing your OS, upgrading your mainboard.
Oh man, I want one so bad.
Or just as long as you want.
They're so cool. They're
Even
so cool.
In a world where AI is changing everything, we want you to be able to run AI on your own hardware, entirely under your control. Everything that we're going to share today builds on this vision.
Oh man.
So where are we today? We now have 4 product lines that build on this product philosophy.
Heck
More
yeah.
of you than ever are choosing to join us in this mission. We
Huh.
now have a community that's large enough to build the most advanced projects in this open ecosystem. There's some seriously awesome stuff out there. We've got the demos here too.
That's cool.
We're now also at a scale.
Dude,
where
people
some
are
of these
just
projects
so-
are starting to
I've never actually tried to like react and watch something on stream, so apologies. This is going to be interesting. But people are so amazing. Like that Ben Makes Everything computer is awesome. Like that is such an epic looking computer. And the fact that people can just take the parts that they got from Framework and then build something that cool. Man, I'm like, yeah, I'm so jealous of that. And I know it's just like, just do it and then you can figure it out. But it's like, I know. I'm impressed with how cool people are. I love it.
turn into products. One example of that is something that we're happy to announce today on behalf of our partner, WizPi. This is WizPi's 10G Ethernet expansion card. It fits right in
that's
the
cool.
expansion card ecosystem and brings 10 gigabit networking into your Framework laptop or desktop. This is available in the Framework Marketplace today.
Man, it's so funny.
2025.
I know that lots of people have ideas, and the fact that hello, Luana, what's going on? I know that like lots of people are like, oh yeah, everyone's got ideas, and then it just matters who carries it out. And like watching Framework carry this stuff out is so cool to me because I remember being, oh god, how old was I? This would have been like university-ish age, so it would have been, I would have been in like, this would have been 2000. Well, I'm getting old. 2000, like 4 or 5, and I remember Emmett. What's up, buddy? Hardware hard. Hardware is hard. I remember sitting, I was working at a hotel and I was sitting there and I was like, it would be so cool if you had a desktop that if you, when you were ready to go for the day, you could just like pop out your hard drive, but that would turn into like an MP3 player basically. So like you'd be able to just like pop it out and then it'd be an MP3 player. Or like if you wanted to uh do like a gaming thing, there'd be another one that you could like pop out and it would have like a screen. And it was a ridiculous idea and it was very silly and would never, I can't imagine it would ever actually work because it would require so much. But I love that this like modular idea of being able to take a computer and just upgrade it with these interlockable, interchangeable parts. It's awesome. Man, that is some good annual order intake growth framework.
Was a record
Nicely
year for us
done.
for us. And this is not just a nice chart for us. It actually means something about what we're capable of delivering to you. We're now operating at a scale where we can build products at the level of performance and refinement that you expect. Which brings us
Oh, there's
to
3
Framework
things up
Laptop
there.
16.
Oh, 4. Oh my god. Yeah, that looks awesome.
We've been shipping this now for about 2.5 years, and it really is the ultimate portable workstation. It's super
So
modular,
cool.
fully upgradable, and it has interfaces that no one's ever put into a laptop before. We've effectively taken the entire modularity of a desktop PC and compressed it into a thin 18mm magnesium and aluminum laptop. One of the things we've heard is just how much you love that modularity. And
Yeah,
a huge
so
part
cool.
of that is the input system. While it is incredibly customizable, it didn't always feel as refined as what you wanted. I don't have that much arm hair anymore. One of the biggest areas of feedback we got was on the touchpad. Last year, we released open source 3D printable designs that the community's been loving, but we wanted a seamless solution right out of the box. So today, we're happy to share the one-piece haptic touchpad module for Framework Laptop 16.
Does anybody have a framework in here?
This replaces the
I'm so jealous. One day. It's on the list, but they're so cool. Okay.
original 3-piece
I love it.
touchpad and spacer layout with a single CNC aluminum part with a haptic touchpad in the middle. We're using 4 piezo haptic elements to deliver consistent haptic feedback across that touchpad surface. And once we had this working, we decided to take that seamlessness just one step further, and we made a one-piece keyboard to go along with it.
Oh, that's cool.
Finally, we've got one other bit of customization here. We're introducing a translucent smoke gray bezel.
Whoa. Heck yeah. Where my 90s kids at? Man, that was the best part of the 90s when it came to computer hardware. All the like see-through, remember those like see-through 64? Obviously there was like the iMac and stuff, but man, I love see-through stuff. I'm glad that's coming back. I don't think I have anything see-through right now. How embarrassing. I need to get more. So sweet.
I know a lot of you have been asking for this for a while. This uses a really novel 98% post-consumer recycled polycarbonate, and that is actually the highest recycled content we have in any part of any of our products. It really just looks awesome, and this is what a workstation should look like.
Well, I better give this a
We're also
like.
introducing a Ryzen AI 5 configuration of Framework Laptop 16 that brings down the price of entry while still keeping that full modularity. The one-piece haptic touchpad and keyboard, along with the Ryzen AI 5 configuration, are available for pre-order today, with shipments starting this June in all 36 countries that we're shipping to. That translucent bezel is available later this summer. And of course, we're making all these new parts available in the Framework Marketplace so that any of you who already own
This is also just so random, but I just think it's so funny how like this is no shade on Framework at all, but just like every company has, ever since Jobs, they just have this like same style of presentation for a new product. Like get a group together, get on stage, release it. It's just so funny. Like, what a weird way to show off consumer goods. Like, it kind of harkens back to, it makes me think of like Snake. Now, again, this is not a suggestion about Framework at all, but like to like snake oil salesmen that you'd see in the old West videos and stuff, where, you know, they just like put a stage out in the middle of the park and just started talking about their stuff, and they're like, "Yeah, come try it, come buy it." It's just such an interesting concept. Like, I know, so I mean, really, it's been around for a long time, that like showmanship. But yeah, I just find it interesting. Do any other, like, how many other industries do this? Where like the big players all just do their own. I guess gaming is probably the other big, but that's still kind of like technology. Anything outside of tech? Like, you know, did the fast food restaurants have a big have a big conference for launching when the McRib comes back? Does McDonald's go on stage and reveal it? Like, it's just it's a weird concept. It's fun and I like it, but it's just weird.
Framework Laptop 16 can
Okay.
pick these up and get
My brain ADHD is going too wild. I gotta stick through this or else I'm never gonna watch it.
5 minutes.
Whoa.
With Framework Laptop 16, we introduced one other module system, the expansion bay. That allows 8 lanes of PCIe to be modularized in a way that enables upgradable discrete graphics and other high-speed peripherals like storage expansion too. As soon as we announced this and open sourced the specifications, we saw the community start to come up with use cases that we had never anticipated. One
Yeah,
of
I
the most
love all
popular
the
areas of exploration was around Oculink.
open sourcing stuff. Is awesome.
Oculink is a technology that lets you take an internal PCIe interface and extend it externally from a computer. That lets you enable things like eGPUs without the performance overhead of interfaces like Thunderbolt. We started seeing developers in the community building on this almost immediately, and we started supporting them with components and documentation. Now, to make this highly requested use case in the community available to more of you, we're happy to preview the Oculink Dev Kit. There are 3 parts to the dev kit. The first is the Oculink adapter board that drops right into the Framework Laptop 16 expansion bay shell and brings that Oculink connection out to the connector at the back of the laptop. What's really special about this is that we're using Oculink 8i. That actually gets us the entire 8-lane interface on the Ryzen AI processor and enables up to 128 gigabits per second bidirectional throughput. As far as we know, this is the highest throughput external interface that anyone has ever put on a laptop. The next part is the graphics module Oculink Dock. That lets you take the graphics module from your Framework Laptop 16 and extend it externally to the system. That's a great way to reuse modules after upgrading, or just separate them out from the laptop to make it more portable. The final part is the PCIe Oculink Dock. That lets you use standard PCIe cards like desktop graphics cards, 100 gigabit network cards, or video capture cards with your Framework Laptop 16. We designed this system as a kit, where we provide you with the core electronics and structure, and you choose what to build around it. The PCIe device,
That's cool.
the enclosure, the power supply.
Shreyas, what's up? Nice try on first, dog. And we got you beat. Sorry, I should pause this. And we got you beat. I was just watching this framework thing because I missed it earlier, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And it's pretty sweet. I'm more inclined to get a framework now, even more. Although I don't think I'm going to make it through the whole thing. I can't do it. My brain is losing its mind trying to sit through this. And it's not because it's boring. It's just because I can't do it. I'm trying. I need you guys to talk about how cool it is or something.
And we'll be sharing more about the dev kit as we get closer to shipping later.
Oh, do you already have one? Which one do you have? Do you have the desktop or the PC? Good. I wanted to talk to somebody about this. What do you have? Dude, how do people on streaming like sit still? I totally understand. Even though I don't have one, I understand why Prime's got his little ball so he can bounce. Because all I want to do is like jump around and move around. So wait, which framework do you have? How's our lag today? We still at 10 seconds or what? Have the laptop, not the desktop? Nah. I think Shreyas, you just lie about the lag so that you can never be found out as a super slow typer. I think that's what it actually is. The laptop, man, I know. I think I'd have to buy the desktop only because I have 2 laptops that are fine. So, but what I need for like streaming tests, that came through pretty quick, it seemed like. I need something for streaming that's not my laptop. Although I am always still blown away by how well this laptop works for streaming. But like, I think I need to get a desktop for streaming, and then I can use the laptop. 9 seconds of lag today? Man, it's so funny though. Like, I don't know how to explain it other than I blame you. Because I don't know what else it could be. Because like I said, all of my stuff is like, you're fine. You've dropped 0 frames. Let's check what is my internet. What's my speed test? Oh shit. I'm on the wrong computer. Hold on. Speed test. Ready? Let's see. What are we running at right now? Oh, that's actually not very good. That's not great. That's not great. What are we doing? Upload. Well, that's not bad. I'm on a completely different network today, so it can't possibly be me. Yeah, no, I don't think it's you either. To be like, try it. You know what I need you to do, Shreyas? I need you to go and do like another. I need you to go into another stream and see if you still have lag, or if it's just me. It is weird though. I don't really know why it's so slow. But I can even see it. Like if I have my Twitch like dashboard open, and it's definitely slow. But I am interested to know if you're more than 9 seconds, if you're 9 seconds everywhere. Because like, okay, yeah, do it. Let me know. Because I'm just like, my bits, everything about my stream says it's running fine. And so again, it's not like I'm trying to blame you for real, but it is weird how everything's like, you're stable, you have good output, blah, blah, blah. But then it's still 9 seconds. So I wonder if it's just Twitch. Does anyone else know? Maybe Twitch is like, you're not a very good streamer, man. So we're going to slow you down. Twitch knows what's up. And then we'll go back to watching this. Now that we're forcing Shreyas to go do something for us, we're gonna see if everybody's got lag or if it's just me. And if it's just me, then I'm gonna complain to Twitch. I'm not. I don't know. I wouldn't even know where to do that. I don't even know what that means. Okay, hold on. Oh, let's see. What's on the old Twitter twits? I wasn't paying attention. Figures. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, why am I so tired? For some reason. Oh, that's funny. Oh yeah, should we check it out? I wonder if I have access to GPT image 2 whatever. Oh, I'm not logged in. What in the heck? Do I even use a computer? Nobody knows anymore. You can see all my accounts. You guys can email me as much as you want. I don't care. I don't mind. Oh my gosh, so what is this? Like the slowest sign-in in the entire world? Okay, let's see. Do I have the new image creation? Let's find out. Okay. What do I need to do? Do I have to how do I choose which image? Does it already just do it? Does it just give you the best image? Okay, what's a fun image? Let's see. I want an image of a bear wearing a space helmet on helmet on the surface of Mars. And it was like 5 in Loki's stream. Okay, well, maybe it's just that Loki's more popular than me, so they gave him more. They give him more juice, you know. Although I do feel a little better though that it was still at least not like instant. So it could just be the mobile app being trash. Yeah, I mean, the idea that Twitch mobile app sucks is definitely a thing. Okay, I'm trying out this new GPT. Their new image model. Let's find out. A bear wearing a space helmet on the surface of Mars, and he is attacking a Martian family trying to have a picnic. I want this realistic and 4K. Let's see. Let's see if it does it. Hopefully this is the new one. It made it sound like if I did this, it was going to use the new model, but we're going to find out. Oh, I don't have any music on. That's why it's so boring. It's because I was watching that video. We'll go back to that video in a second. If anybody was hanging out here watching that and actually like enjoying it, then sorry, I'll go back to it. I just wanted to try this image gen and see if it's any good. Bum, 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 bum. Come on. This takes forever. Which is like such a hilarious thing to say. Like, just give me my image immediately. I'm so bored with this already. Oh, hey, there you go. Oh, man, those aliens are disgusting. I am a fan, actually. All right, not bad. Although the bear's head is definitely coming out of that space helmet. So that bear is dead. Okay, let's see. They were sitting there talking all about that screenshot. So let's see if we can do a screenshot. I want a screenshot of a Windows 11 desktop with a let's try this one. An OBS with OBS open and a stream happening. Because like I think if you can't do super simple prompts like that, what's even the point? You know? Why even bother? You might as well just draw it yourself. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what it does. I'm interested to see how it does because they were obviously touting that Mac screenshot a lot. Like it's a really, really big deal. But like it was doing such a good job. So let's see if it can handle Windows 11. Why not? Let's see. What do you guys think? I need music. I can't have nothing on in my head. All right, how'd it do? I mean, like that is legit. It's funny that it took the bear photo. That's interesting. All right, I'm not going to lie. That's pretty good. Oh, there's the music. It's loud. Is it loud for you guys? I don't know. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. That's actually... Especially because, like, it seems like it got all of the words right, which is cool. Like, desktop audio, my God. Yeah, like, that's pretty good. All right. All right, I'll give it to you. What if I do this? Okay, what if I say... Yeah, let's see. What should we try? Let's see if we can replace this image with something. Okay. Replace the selection with an image of what? How about just a streamer, like an actual person? A person streaming while playing Call of Duty. All right, let's see what that does. Will that fix it? I don't know. Oh, what? Is that doing an edit? I hope so. Okay. We're going to find out. Let's see how it did. This is kind of cool. I mean, it's pretty good. That was a pretty good screenshot. What other operating system should we try? Arch? Should we try an Arch? See if it can do a Linux. I want to... If it changes this image well, like if it does a good job changing this image, that's going to be pretty impressive. I could see that being really useful, especially like if you're trying to sell product and you need to just like change the backgrounds of your product really fast, that would be really good. I know they've had some of this before, but to be honest, I haven't used it that much. Let's see how it does. Did you guys know you were on a dancing stream? Oh, actually, I wonder if I still have this. Hold on. There's an app for my lights. I want to see if I can turn them on. I don't remember what it's called, though. Oh, shoot. Ah, sugar. What is it? Tools? Where do I have this saved? I don't remember what these lights are called. Who makes these lights again? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, that was good. That's not bad. Dang. All right, ChatGPT. OpenAI. That's pretty darn good. Not bad. I mean, yeah, like that's pretty cool. I do like the fact that I was able to just change this was pretty sweet. What if I did this? Now let's try something else. I wonder if I even need to select it. Let's try this. Let's say replace the OBS program with a Google Chrome on x.com and a File Explorer window looking at images. All right, let's see if it does that without selecting it. I'm interested if it'll just change it. We'll see. Okay, wait, I gotta find that app while it's doing this. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, sweet. I wonder if it'll connect. Because we're gonna turn on some rave dance and stuff now. Oh shit. Not that. Sorry. Excuse my language. Sign in. This will be interesting. Let's see how it did. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that's a... I don't know why, but I find the fact that one of the tweets... Oh, that's probably too small for you to see. Hold on. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Is that actually making... Oh, no. That's just being silly. That's... Can you see that? Here, wait. Here. Oh, shit. I wanted to open it in a new tab. Why'd you download it? Anyways, the Dexerto, Dr. Disrespect has been permabanned from Steam. No reason has been given. That's hilarious. Man, that's a pretty good File Explorer. Okay, now let's try this. Add a non-focus tab to Google Chrome for what's a website? Any website. Let's do, I don't know. What's a fun one? Give me a website. It doesn't even matter. I'm trying to see if it'll just do it unfocused. Why am I worried about this? We'll just say Google because I'm dumb and I don't have any for Google Doc. Okay, I want to see this. Will it add the tab? We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Here we go. This is pretty good though. I'm not going to lie. Better than I was expecting. Yeah, that's pretty good. Should we share this? Why not? Oh, I don't remember how to screenshot on Windows anymore. Is it that? No. Shoot. What am I doing here? Oh, there. There. Okay, let's see. Alright, OpenAI. You showed us Mac, and now here's everyone's favorite Windows 11. There we go. We're gonna put that on. Okay, now let's see how it did on our request. If it adds just a tab, like unfocused tab on that Google Chrome instance, I will be thoroughly impressed. I mean, I'm already impressed, to be honest with you. Here we go. Wow, that's really good. Holy. All right. Not bad at all. Oh, no, that's good. Yeah, no, wow. It is funny though. It changed some random things that like I wouldn't have expected, but that's pretty good. Dang. Hold on. That's yeah, nicely done. Well, that just changed a whole bunch. My goodness. That's really like that's super impressive for that's super impressive. Like I could 100% imagine doing this for like product photo shoots and just like doing it that way instead. Dang, son. This GPT image 2 is pretty cool. How to do a Google Chrome window, then ask it to add an unfocused tab. Did it pretty well. Yeah, that's cool. All right. Yeah, like imagine if you had. Well, here, let's just. How could I take a picture? Here, let's just do this. What's like a watch? We'll just do like a Rolex. And let's see if we can just get, yeah, just a Rolex. And we're going to copy that image. I'm going to do a new chat, new chitty chat. Whoa. Skin growth evaluation. What was I looking at there? Oh, I know. I was a mole. I was interested to see what ChatGPT had to say about a mole. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Here. Take this. Take this. Take this Rolex and create an advertisement with the watch on a Formula 1 driver. Make the whole ad Formula 1 focus, but use Rolex brand messaging and guides. See if it can do that. I don't know. I just like, let's see what it can do. Let's see what it can do, you know? Let's just find out, man. Let's just find out. Okay, hold on though. Where did I save those images to? Shoot. Did I save them anywhere? Screenshots? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. Not bad, OpenAI. Man, oh man. What are we even gonna do in our lives anymore? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Okay, wait. Oh, I wanted to have my rave. Okay, there we go. We got our devices. We're gonna save that. Then I should be able to go back to this. Save. Okay, now what if we do this one? Effects, music. Oh no, Light Studio. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's do. Oh, cop car. Oh no. Fireworks. Oh, this is a party. What's this one? Oh, lightning. Well, that's actually pretty good. Sorry if anyone's having a seizure. There we go. Now we got the party lights, though. All right, how'd it do? Rolex F1 ad. Not bad. It did a good job taking the piece, although, yeah, that's not bad. Born on the track, driven by a legend. Man, that's pretty good. Okay, now make it a beach theme ad. Man, that's pretty good, guys. Oh shoot. I think the way I do my job might have just changed quite a bit. That actually wrote like a reasonable ad too. We'll see how it does on this one. Man. Oh, maybe I should turn off these party lights. They're pretty fun though. Oh, lightning, sorry. Now, can I go back to my saved one? How do I do that? No. Ah, crud. I saved it. How do I go back to my favorite? I know there's a way to do it. It's just been too long. I don't remember how to do it. Where do you find your favorites on here? This app, dude. Oh, here. No. Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter because this is close enough. This is basically what I wanted. Dang. I mean, okay, do another layout. Frick, this is good. If I actually read this. Beyond the track, beyond time. Oh, it's still doing the F1, obviously, which is funny. I don't know why it would... the hashtag in the ad is funny. I definitely would not do that. This isn't 2005. Not even 2005, 2010. Born from the pursuit of precision, created for those who chase excellence wherever it leads. Iconic on the track, timeless everywhere else. Man, shoot, these are decent. And the fact that you can do them in like half a second is obviously going to make lots of people do it. Okay, so that's one thing that would annoy me. It's not the end of the world, but the fact that I said do another layout and it changed all the words. Now, let me see if I try doing this. Redo... Oh, shoot, sorry, wrong computer. Redo the layout, but do not change any of the wording. If it can do this, then that's a huge change. That will actually be like big, because that's always, I mean, I know you could do this in a different way, and I'm sure there's better ways to do it and ways that would make it work and all of those fun things, but if it can just straight up take what you had. Let's show this thing. What the heck is this? I'm so sick of AI, like, spam marketing. I'm already over it. It makes me just not want to send email messages ever. All I get are people pitching things, and it's just spam. And I'm like, no, I don't want these. I didn't want them when your targeting was bad because you didn't even know who I was. I don't want it now that you think you know, who I am. I do not want your product, Sam I am. Anyways, If it does this, I'm going to be blown away. This is my last test, and then I'm going to go back to watching that framework video. But if it can handle this, that would be... Let's find out. How'd it do? Okay. Let's see. The drive never stops. Neither should you. That's exact. From the track to the shoreline. Excellence is the way of life. Oh, man. Engineer for fun. Dang. Holy. Okay. Change the man to a woman. Add a pina colada. Well, I don't know how to spell colada. Colada to the scene. Okay, now I want to try. If I don't say don't change the words, will it still change the words? Okay, let's see. I want to see if you have to specify it, that's not that big of a deal, obviously, but I'm interested to see. Man, though, I can't believe that. Oh, I can't believe how good this is. I hate it, but I also love it. Ah! This is good. What am I gonna do with my job now? I should be able to do so much more. It's actually insane. I mean, I've always gotten into jobs where I was like the marketing team of one, but now it's like I can be the marketing team one and do a ridiculous amount of stuff. Like AI is still, it's so funny because it definitely still needs the guiding hand of somebody to make it the thing that you want, but my goodness, I can't believe how good it's doing these ads. That is intense. If it keeps this the same, like if it keeps the wording without me even having to specify that this time, like, oh, jeez. I might have to rethink some of my... Dang. Wow. Ooh, that's good. All right, OpenAI, you did a pretty good job. Wow. Actually, I'm just writing a tweet. Actually, really impressive. Making me rethink my marketing workflow. Very impressed with its ability to retain text throughout changes. Dang. Yeah, that's impressive, man. Gave it an image of a Rolex and told it to make a beach themed ad with a Formula One Formula One hint. Dang, dude. All right, let's share these because these are pretty cool. These are pretty cool, man. copied the same one twice. Hold up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Ask it for a layout change, then to a woman with a pina colada. Kept all the wording perfectly throughout. Dang. Dang. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Shoot. Darn it. I don't like when it's that good. I mean, I do, but darn it. Man, oh man. Okay, well, that's cool. Alright, I don't even know if I really want to. That's hilarious. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, what else can we do that would be funny? How about... I wonder if it knows who Nikita Bohr is. Ooh, that would be interesting. Okay, make an image of Nikita Bohr. If it knows that, I'd be so impressed. Nikita Bohr. Eating from a trough filled with X posts. All right, let's see. If it knows who Nikita Bohr is, oh man, that'd be wild. I would obviously have to say shout out to Bone GPT for making that so popular. Oh man, I still am a little bit surprised by how good it is. Ugh. Progress, baby. We're all gonna... Oh no, it didn't quite know who Nikita Bohr was. That's okay. That would have been hilarious if it did. What else can we do? Who else can we draw? Sam Altman. Sam Altman. What could Sammy be doing? What could we make Sammy be doing? Sam Altman as who could it be? Someone as oh gosh, what's his name? What's the guy from what's the bad guy from Sonic's name? Sam Altman as Dr. Robotnik. Robotnik from Sonic, laughing maniacally. Wow. Okay, wait. Then I have another one. Then we're gonna do Sam Altman as Oprah, giving out layoffs. That'd be funny. That's funny to me. It must be so weird. Let's see how it did. Oh. That's terrible. That's not very good at all. But I do like it. So we're going to send it anyway. Okay, here we go. Sam Altman. Here, what's the Oprah, you get a car image. This is what I want. Okay. Well, if we could do this, I'm going to be very happy. Sam Altman. Replacing the woman in the attached image image with a... No, we'll just do that. Let's see if I can do that. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, let's see how it does. The Eggman one's pretty funny. Sam Altman as Eggman. Okay. Oh, what? That one's terrible. That's not funny. That's not even close. It's always interesting what it chooses that it could, like, what it's fine to do. Dang, dude. Control Shift O works? Let's try that. Control Shift O. Oh, nice. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, what would actually be interesting? How about what would be something that you could use on a daily basis that would be really useful? How about like a calendar? No, that's boring. Come on, what's something cool? What would I actually need? What do I actually want out of life? I don't know. I got nothing. I got nothing, man. Nothing. 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 Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I'm kind of running out of ideas of what I was gonna do. I just wanted to watch this. I should go back to watching this framework thing. That's what I was planning on doing. But you know, the GPT-2 came out. It's cool. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's finish watching this. I'm gonna turn off this too much. Hold on.
We have a long roadmap ahead of us on Framework Laptop 16, and we're excited to keep extending and improving on it as we go. Now, I want to switch to the Framework Laptop 13. This is our original product. It's what we started with all the way back in 2021, and it represents the core of our product ideology. We've now shipped 7 generations over the last 5 years. This is a computer that we've proven is upgradable, repairable, and extremely customizable. And that product philosophy has resonated with an increasing number of you every year. But that's not enough. We want to make sure that every one of you can own a computer that respects your rights. And to do that, we need to solve what's been holding you back from jumping in. The biggest thing has been battery life.
Oh yeah, here we go.
From you over and over again. You might have seen this timer running earlier, and you might be wondering what this thing is. This is actually a live battery life test. This computer has been running in our headquarters nearby for almost 24 hours now, and it is still going. This specific test is local video playback, actually for copyright reasons, but we're also achieving over 20 hours of Netflix 4K streaming.
Wow.
Right? It's a long time.
That's solid. I'm interested to know what the leap has been because, like, the Dell, the new Panther Lake apparently also has like a stupidly long battery life. So is that just upgrades in battery technology? Have batteries just gotten that much better? I haven't been following along the old battery game, so, but that's huge. I kind of just want to play around with more images. I'm just losing my mind. There's too many things to do, man. Also, is Loki still streaming? I don't even. Let's find out. Let's find out if Loki's still streaming. How's he doing? Oh yeah, he is. Okay, nice. Man, he's been streaming for 2 hours. That's impressive. I usually hit a solid hour when I have a plan, I do a little bit better. But when I don't have a plan, and I hit an hour and I'm not sure what to do, I should probably plan, or I should just keep doing the thing that I said I was gonna do, which is watch this video. Ah. All right. Here it is. Let's see. We're gonna pivot. We're pivoting. We're pivoting. We're gonna do some coding. We're gonna do some Pico 8. Or not. First, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, actually. So I'm gonna do that really fast. And then we're gonna do something else. Let me mute this. All right. There we go. We are back. We are back. I'm changing up everything. I just want to play a video game. So I'm going to try and do that. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm going to see if I can play a game that I haven't played for a little bit of time. The good old tape to tape on Steam, and see if it works without crashing my computer. And we're going to find out right now. Loki, Raid. Oh no, what's up, my man? How you doing? Thanks. Thank you so much. How are you? A party of 10. This is too intense for me. I can't handle this type of pressure. This is way too exciting. What's going on, man? I was actually hilariously, I was debating if I should bail and raid you. So it's funny that you're finishing up and bailing and raiding me. Thank you. And thanks for everyone joining. This is great. Nil Pointer, thanks for the follow, dude. This is awesome. I was just watching the Framework thing. Yeah, I was watching the Framework announcement. I was debating maybe playing some tape to tape. As always, not sure what I'm going to do, but just kind of making it up as I go. You know, classic. See how it goes. But yeah, the announcement, I was watching it because I missed it earlier. They were just doing the battery life talk, which is pretty cool. You did also miss, for people just joining, we were messing around with the new ChatGPT images. We got some cool ones. Here, let's see. We got Sam Altman as Eggman. I just wanted to get a stream out of the way because I usually feel better after. Was tired, so keep it short. I feel the exact same way, man. I absolutely, every time I stream, I get so energized. It's so much fun. Yeah, we got Sam Altman. I was also really impressed. It was able to do, this was pretty cool. So check it out. So first I said to just do like a bear wearing a space helmet. You know, why not? And then I was like, okay, make it a streamer, like using OBS. And I was like, all right, that's pretty good. And then I said, change it to Call of Duty. Not bad. Not bad. Then I was like, okay, get rid of OBS and just make it a Google Chrome on x.com and then File Explorer, 2 windows open. And I was like, oh shit. This is actually like really good. And then finally I was like, this was just like the most ridiculous one, just because, or not the most ridiculous, but just a silly thing. I was like, add a non-focused Google Chrome tab for google.com. Like just a tab that's open to Google, but that you can't see. Boom. Freaking did it. Like, wild. actually wild is it some guy sending you screenshots? Yeah, it is. It is. These are, I just told some guy to give me, it's some guy at OpenAI just quickly doing screenshots of what I'm asking. I was pretty impressed. I'm not gonna lie. That I was like, oh, that's good. And then I started thinking, because I do marketing, that's my main job. And then I was like, okay, so how could it do on like advertisements? And so I pulled this up and I just shared it, this Rolex. And I was like, okay, give me a Rolex ad that's based on Formula One. You know, not bad, like decent. But then what I was really interested in, so and then I said change it to a beach, and it did. And then I was like, what I wanted to see, I was like, can it keep all of the wording the exact same? And so I did this one, and then I was like, just change the layout a little bit. And so it did, and it didn't change it a lot. Like it just moved the watch basically. But all the wording is the exact same. Which is like, I'm just thinking about, you know, if you're doing photo shoots for a product and you can just give it a product, give it the exact wording that you want, and then it pumps it out like this. That's pretty good. So anyway, and then I was like, change it to a girl with a pina colada. And it did. And it kept the wording the exact same. So I don't know. They did a good job. It's pretty impressive. And like, I didn't do really any, you know, intense prompting on this. This is all, literally all just like, I don't know if you can see, like, now make it a beach. It just did it. And do another layout. And it did. So, anyways, that was pretty cool. So we were just doing that after, while we were watching this old framework thing. But I'm so excited. Thanks everyone for joining me. This is so much fun. Do you want to, since there's people in here, do you want to keep watching the framework announcement? Or I think I was alone for a while, so I went a little crazy. Do we want to keep watching the framework announcement or play Tape to Tape, which is a sweet roguelike hockey game, which is a lot of fun. I've only got like another, I was only going to stream for like until about 5 because then the kids start coming home. But so I was just figured I'd ask. Does anybody have any, well, that's huge. Anybody have any desires, thoughts, preferences? Because I'm down for whatever. But yeah, I'm unfortunately very impressed with OpenAI's new image gen. Did a good job. Do both? Okay. Let's do both at the exact same time. Let's see what we can do. No, let's okay, let's watch a little bit more of this framework announcement. I'm gonna it's only got a few, it's got, I only made it through halfway. So we're gonna watch a little bit of this.
12 hours longer than our last generation.
They're just talking about the battery life right now, which is pretty wild.
Not only caught up to the 14-inch MacBook Pro M5 in a number of use cases, in this specific one, we're actually surpassing it.
Yeah, that's wild.
Wild battery life.
Oh, I want a framework so bad.
Battery life claims from device makers are usually totally bogus. So we're actually going to be publishing full-length videos and setup descriptions to our framework YouTube channel over the coming months, so you can actually repeat the same tests that we're running.
Nice.
So, what is the product that delivers this? What we're excited to announce today is the Framework Laptop 13 Pro.
Oh, dang.
Yes.
Oh, that looks good. It's funny. I know I love frameworks, so I'm very happy that they're doing this, but I just can't help. It's like, that looks exactly like my MacBook Air, my M2, other than the logo. But that's okay. It's a good looking thing. All devices look the same these days. And this one is at least customizable and super cool. So
Actually did call it that. This is a
that's awesome.
complete blank slate redesign, and we've overhauled the entire experience. We took all of the expertise, all the resources, and all of the partnerships that are now available to us to build the perfect laptop for developers, power users, and anyone who just wants more out of their computer.
Yeah, that's
How do
sweet.
we get that massive leap in battery life?
That's sweet.
We optimized efficiency all throughout the system, but there are 3 core areas of improvement. First, the battery. This is now 74.45 watt hours, and we've achieved that both by making the battery physically larger and by increasing the energy density to 850 watt hours per liter. We also have a new 100-watt power adapter to support that larger battery.
Nice.
Next, we move to Intel's latest Core Ultra Series 3 processor platform. Yeah.
I don't know anything about the Series 3 core. Does anybody know? What's good about it? Is that their new? That's I actually don't know what that is. Because what's the difference between that and like the Panther Lake that the new Dell has? I have no idea. I have not been paying close enough attention.
It's great. This offers a massive leap in efficiency over the last generation and over anything that we've shipped in a Framework laptop before. We're also using LPCAMM 2.
These are mobile. Oh, is that what they are?
We've got some LPCAMM stands in the crowd, apparently. This gives you the efficiency of LPDDR5X.
Is that what they are? Are they mobile chips? Let's just look it up. What are they? They were the. Now I gotta. Man, I'm so bad at remembering things. What were they called? The Intel Core Ultra. Intel Core Ultra chips. Let's find out. Okay, premium AI focused chips. Sure, why not? Of course they are. Everything's AI. Built on advanced process nodes, they offer improved multi-threaded performance. So they're just newer chips with AI native architecture. Huh. All right. Well, there you go. Core Ultra Series 3, known as the first platform built on Intel 18A technology, delivering advanced AI features and efficiency improvements for laptops. Okay, so it's just an awesome chip. All right. All right, Intel. Oh, is it their Panther Lake? Is that what it is? If that makes sense, if that's what it is, then I at least understand. Intel Core Ultra chipset Series 3, the Panther Lake. Is that what it is, or is Panther Lake different? Yes. Intel Core is the branding for the process. Oh, okay. So the code name was Panther Lake, and then this is the new chip. So they're not mobile chips. They're just the new. Like, I mean, I don't know. I guess they're mobile technically because it's a laptop, right? You could make that argument, maybe. But that's cool. Okay, so that's their Panther Lake chip. So that's the one that's in the new Dell XPS that like DHH has been all about because I know he worked with them for Omachi. So all right, that's cool. That's awesome. Now where were we on here? I just want to watch the end of this laptop one, and then I'm gonna play some games.
DDR5X in a modular form factor. We've got capacities with up to 64 gigabytes, and in today's environment, when memory prices are just crazy high, that means you can pick up just the memory you need today, knowing that you can always upgrade in the future when you need to. We've been working closely.
Man, Intel's really making. Sorry. Intel's really making a move. Like, they obviously teamed up with Dell to focus on the new XPS computer. They're clearly working closely with Framework. They're pushing, man.
Get there on efficiency and on battery life. I'd like to introduce Dan Rogers, Intel's VP and GM of CCG Client Product Team, to share more
about
Intel Core Ultra Series 3.
Be interesting to see what they do. All right. Sorry, Ken. I don't want to listen to you right now. Okay, we're going to try and play a game for the next 20 minutes before my kids come home. And then I'm going to call it a day, and I'm going to say this was good. We're on 2 days in a row streaming. The goal is to try and stream every day, every weekday between 3 and 5 at some point, at least an hour, sometimes 2. We'll see. But that's the goal. Basically, I just love streaming, and I want to do it more, and it's fun when people join in. And even if you don't join in, I still have fun. Okay, let me see if I can launch this without wrecking everything, because I probably will. All right. Let's see if this works. This will be funny. This is going to push my computer. This little laptop is going to try really hard to do this properly. I realize I need to change my stream. But first, I think this game's going to open in full screen. And so I'm just waiting for it to do that so that I can then switch it back and do this properly. So let's see if this actually works. Oh, is it still trying to load? I don't even know if it's going to be able to do it. My poor little laptop. Oh, okay. Oh. It's open. Hold on. How's the stream? Stream still holding? Oh, dang. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get this out of full screen. Oh man, my poor computer. My poor laptop. I need a better computer. It's struggling so much. I don't know if it's going to be able to do this. Ah! Oh, music. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this isn't coming through your guys' headsets because it's very loud for me. Okay, let's do settings. I need to get this into a window so I can actually see it. All right, windowed. There we go. Ah! Too many things happening. Okay. I'm so good at this. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, I need OBS open so I can actually try and change this. Hey, is it still working? Dang. Way to go, laptop, baby. Now we're going to move to gaming. Oh, that's my other computer. That doesn't help. So we're going to go to Steam. We're going to hide Nintendo. Then we're going to... Oh, no, wait. That's not going to work. I just need a different... I need my Steam to work. Tape to tape. Is this going to work? Come on, baby. Yes! Okay, we're getting there. Can you tell that I was not playing for this? Hot dog flavored water. Is this the guy from X? It is the guy from X. That's me. I'm that guy. I'm trying to stream playing a game and I haven't done it in a really long time. Oh, and sorry, no pointer. I just saw which laptop is it? Are you talking about the XPS or the Panther Lake? Also, how loud is Steam? It's very loud in my ears. So hopefully it's not super duper loud for you guys. Okay, I need to get this resized so that it actually fits. Classic, dude. This is how I roll, man. I just kick butt and take names, you know? Okay, almost there. Your laptop. Oh, my laptop. Okay, so my laptop is amazingly, a Samsung Ultra Series 3. The only reason it is even somewhat decent at being able to do this stuff is that it has an NVIDIA... I think it's like whatever the mobile one is, it's either the 4050 or the 4060. I don't remember what the one is, but like I've always been extremely impressed with its ability to like obviously I can do streaming and I have a game running, although right now it's just on a menu, so we'll see how it actually goes. But like, yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good. I was pretty impressed with it when I got it. And I got it because I needed, hilariously, I bought it because I was working on a code base that was on, it was older than, oh gosh, why is my brain blanking? It was .NET 4.7, I think. And so because it was .NET 4.7, you couldn't emulate it on a Mac, which was all I had before. And so I had to buy a Windows PC because if I didn't have an actual Windows PC, it wouldn't compile. I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't even, I could open it. Yeah, it was so old, dude. It got built a long time ago and they were just like, they hadn't upgraded it for years. And so I was just like, okay, I guess I'm buying an old ass Windows PC. So I did. And it was, you know, it was what it was. And so now I have a Windows PC. Can't even get .NET 6 to work on Mac? Really? Because it was .NET 5, right? Where they switched it where you could actually, like, in theory, you could use it on both. But yeah, it was so funny. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I'm buying a PC. And so then when I bought a PC, I knew I needed a laptop because I knew I was going to be taking it in and out of the office every once in a while. But I was like, I've had a Steam account with a bunch of games that I was on a Mac for so long that I hadn't been able to play any of them. And so I was just like, okay, I might as well make it as gamer friendly as possible within a reasonable budget. And the Samsung Series 3 Ultra was on a pretty good deal. It's got an actually badass screen. Like I don't ever use it as an actual laptop anymore, but like it was, the screen was legit. Like it looks really nice when you use it as a laptop. And so, yeah, that's the story of the old Samsung Ultrabook. I was impressed. I'm still impressed. Like I said, it does a good job. The only thing I don't like about it is that the NVIDIA chip is like a hybrid Intel NVIDIA. So it like, if it doesn't need the NVIDIA, you know, it launches on the Intel side of the chip. which is fine with Windows. Windows handles that no problem. But I tried to move to Omachi and just using Linux, and I couldn't stream. I could still play games, but like I couldn't stream. It wasn't very good with VR because the handoff between the Intel chip and the NVIDIA chip was broken. Like it just wouldn't work. Sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. You could force it to work if you just ran Steam always at full tilt, but then the whole time the computer was running with Steam open, the graphics card was just going. So you have iGPU? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. I'm a pretend nerd. Like, I love computers and I try to remember this stuff, but I'm really bad at it. So I don't remember exactly what it was, but NVIDIA, what was it? It's the 40, I think it's the 4060 hybrid GPU. Yeah, you can force NVIDIA only on Arch. Yes, exactly. So like I could do the force to NVIDIA, which was fine, and then it would work, but the graphics card just ran at full tilt the whole time, even if you just had the Steam app open. And I was just like, this is dumb. I was like, I don't like this. And so I moved back to Windows just so that I could do streaming without issues with cameras and all the other stuff. But it really made me go, I really loved using Hyperland and having Linux as a daily. It just couldn't do the things that I wanted it to do. So my next purchase, I think, will probably be a Framework desktop. So that way I can get the dedicated GPU and then throw Linux back on that. And it should work for what I want, because I do really like it. So, I don't know, we'll see. If you've never played this game, by the way, Tape to Tape, it's amazing. If you ever played like NHL 96 or those awesome EA Sports games back in the day, this game is a lot of fun. But it also has, it's also got a little bit of like roguelike qualities to it. So like you pick your team. And let's see, this guy's on fire. It keeps some stats like throughout the whole, like the players, some of the players like retain some of their stats from previous things. There's a faster way to do this. Add X, that's what it is. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna do this as our team. Why not? And then you start your run, and then it's fun. You streamed Boot.dev a while ago, right? I did. I used to stream Boot.dev a lot. And then I haven't in a long time. And that's mostly just because I stopped streaming. But I would like to get back into it. My goal is, there's like 4 things that I like to do on stream. I like to stream Boot.dev, which is watching me do really bad at learning how to program. I like to stream building stuff on Pico 8 because I really love making games on Pico 8. I like to stream playing video games. And then other times I just do a bunch of yapping. And today was a little bit more of a yapper session, but I'm trying to get back into it. So like yesterday was my first day streaming in a couple weeks. And then even before that time though, I think I took like 2.5 months or 3 months off of streaming. So I'm trying to get back into it. Boot.dev will definitely make it back into the rotation because I'm trying to do daily streaming Monday through Friday, 3 to 5 Eastern. That's the goal. So because I'm going to be doing, ideally, hopefully 5 days a week, Boot.dev will 100% make it into like 1 or 2 of those days. Because it's a lot of fun, and I still really like learning how to code. And so yeah, so we'll see. Oh, what happened to this game? Did I click off it? Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Do a quick one. I've been following since 2024. OG. Oh, dang. That is OG. That's so funny, man. 2024 was when I was like, there have been so many false starts of me trying to get into this. And the hard part is that I really love doing it. But I have 2 kids and a job. And I'm also, just an old man who can't always do this. But I really love doing it. So I decided to make myself that schedule of 3 to 5 Monday through Friday and see if I can stick with it for a little bit. Because that'd be fun. Come on. There we go. Champion. But yeah, so this like first level is just you have to score 1 goal. against a team of 3, and then you get a little boost, little quick draw. Let's give that to Freddy. And then the next level, oh, this is now it's like a fan number 1, so we can give him slow-mo. Sure, why not? Should we play meatballs or cheddar? What do you guys think? Do you want to play top? Oh yeah, top cheese, or do we want to play meatballs? You guys let me know. I'm up for either. Hold on, I'm also just chickadee checking some things while we're thinking about what we're gonna do. Okay. I think I'm gonna go against. I think I'm going for meatballs. Let's do it. Oh shoot, I forgot to click back here. Meatballs. All right. Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I love this game. It's so much fun. It reminds me so much of those games that I used to play as a kid. Oh! Yeah, it also kind of reminds me, did anyone play Mutant League Hockey or Mutant League Football? Those games were epic. Oh, is this really loud? Is Steam super duper loud? I'm sorry. I just realized that that might be incredibly loud. I turned it down. Let me know if anyone's still in here paying attention. Let me know if that's a little better, because I did not realize how loud that was. Hopefully that's a little better. Whoops. Whoopsies. Hold on. Man, the little laptop that could. I'm proud of you, little laptop. Good job. Okay. Oh, that was a bad pass. I love this. Watch this. You can throw your stick. Oh, I missed him completely. But you can throw your stick and just knock people out. Get it, goalie. Okay. Here we go. Oh, yeah. This is it. Oh, body check. Here, watch this. Throw a stick. Oh, good pat. Good hit. There we go. Oh, that was a terrible shot. Weak. Oh, we did slow-mo. I didn't even mean to. Oh, there we go. Here it is. This is a goal. I can feel it. Nope. It just got rocked. Oh, get him. There we go. Yes. Go. Ah. Not loud? Okay, good. Volume wasn't too bad? Oh, no? Okay, is it better now or worse? Now I can't even... Is it even on? Oh, no, that's super low. Now you probably can't even hear anything. Here, I'm going to go right to here. That should be good. I don't know. I need something... I was saying this... Ah! Come on. I need one of those, like, devices that... Or I need something so that I can have the same volume in my headphones as it's on stream. But I don't like that, because oftentimes I like it louder in my headphones. You're getting the inside scoop. Okay. If it gets too loud, type a lot of stuff in the chat, because then at some point I'll remember to look over. Oh, come on. And if you haven't played Mutant League Hockey or Mutant League Football, 100% go get a Sega Genesis emulator and get those games, because they are amazing. Oh. Get them. There we go. Oh, rock them. Nope. We're running out of time. We got 7 seconds. Come on. You can do this. Oh, no. Ah. Okay. First period, boring. Nothing happened. Oh, I guess 2 goals were scored. I already forgot. Darn it. I don't know what's happening. My life. Who even is this guy? All right. Now, this is way easier to score. I've always wondered why, but I don't know if it's like weird physics calculations, but I've always found when you're going down in hockey games, it is so much easier to score. Maybe it's just because the screen's a little bit wider, like your actual view. I don't know, but there's something about it that I've always found easier. Now, of course, this will be the time where I never score a goal, but all right, here we go. This is it. Yeah, get him. Gotta go. See ya. Hey, man, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Like I said, every day now, 3 to 5 is the goal, so hopefully you'll come back. Ah. Goal. Yeah. See, I told you, goals are easier going down. I don't know why. 3 goals, game, winner, champion. Excuse me. Playable referee. Join your team now. Turbo absorbent jockstrap. Gain 1 second immunity when picking up the puck. That's a good one. What's this one? Rage switch. Level 2. Enrage the team when triggering an ability. I don't know. I don't know about that one. All right. Let's do that playable referee. Okay. I think I've got, like, actually, I should probably 436. All right, we're gonna do this level, so like the next 3 games, and then I'm gonna call it for the day. But we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Decoy puck, that's a good one. I hope the devs have been working on this game for a long time. I hope they do like the final release soon, because I think it's a really cool game. And if you like these little sports games, it's a lot of fun. Oh! Here we go. Oh, I hate that. We are just championing. Oh, that was terrible. Look at that big guy. Decoy puck. Oh, that was such a good setup. Oh. No. Get it. There we go. There we go. Oh, Freddie. Kovalevsky, we need you, bud. We need you. There we go. Oh, shoot. I threw my stick accidentally, which makes it very hard to do anything useful. Oh, the deflection. The deflection. He does it. He does it again. What a champion. Let's go. Let's go. It's, oh. Oh, he took that big boy out. Come on. Not even a challenge. I scored all 3 goals in 26 seconds on the attack. Dang. Stu. 1 goal, 1 assist, 2 shots. My man. All right, Grandma's Broth, plus 10 overall when injured. Get propelled when passing. I like that one. That's a good one. Okay. Infirmary, general manager. We'll go to the infirmary. Heal all of our injured players. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. A little breakaway action. Oh, this grandma has like a knife or something, and she like whips you. And it's very frustrating because it makes it really hard to get into their end. See, watch. Grandma's going to hit my person out front. There we go. Hello, Unc. What's up, Olavo? How you doing, man? Good to see ya. We're just playing a little games. We were watching some framework presentation earlier. We did some new ChatGPT image gen. Now we're just doing a little gaming before I gotta go. How have you been, man? Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get it. Oh, you punk. Let's go. Oh. Watch this. Boom. I love that one. Throwing the stick is the best. Oh, fake puck's a good one too, though. Oh, Freddie needed that goal. Oh, Olavo. It's a holiday in Brazil. Nice. Some guy who didn't want to pay taxes martyrized, so they gave him a holiday. Well, at least he got a holiday out of it. That's pretty sweet. Thanks for joining in. I'm not going to be on for too much longer. I'm just going to beat this one round of tape to tape, and then I got to go. But I don't know if you saw, my goal is Monday through Friday, 3 to 5. That's the new plan. We're trying. We're trying to get back into it because I do love it. Oh, I thought that was a goal for sure. But I do love streaming, and I want to do it more because then I get to talk to people like you. Get in the net. There we go. Little fake puck action. Oh, no. You're trying so hard to get so far. I am. I am trying so hard to get so far. You know what, Aleva? In the end, it doesn't even matter. Oh. Come on, man. Come on, man. There we go. You should invite people into your... What are you saying? You should invite people into your stream and talk shit? That would... I mean, I basically do that. I just don't invite anybody. I just let them show up. I'm not a very good shit talker, to be honest with you. I've never been good at it. Some people have the gift of being able to shit talk. I just have, like... I'm either, like, really nice normally, or the shit that I say things that are just, like, way too hardcore. And then I just feel bad. I don't have that good balance of, like, being able to shit talk, but also do it in a way that's, like, funny. You know, some people got the gift. I don't have that gift. I wish I had that gift. I have the gift for talking mad shit. The problem is getting banned. Yeah, that's no fun. Nobody wants to get banned. Okay, come on. I need to score 2 more goals, and then I got to get off of this thing. Ah. So what else is new? What are you doing with your downtime since you're off right now? Doing anything exciting? Oh, they scored. Come on, baby. Nowadays, people are too sensitive. I know. It's a tough one. I always struggle with the... I just worked out leg day. Nice. I always struggle with, like, the... You know... Because, like, some people have been bullied. Like, it's horrible. And it can, like, really affect you. And I fully understand that side of it. But I do also understand the side of, like, taking a joke. And I don't know. There is something weird about joking where... I do feel like you can really tell when somebody is like taking the piss and having a fun time and telling good and like just making fun of somebody, but in a way that like isn't mean. And then some people I think are just bad at making fun of people, and I think they think they're being funny, but they're actually just being like rude and mean. I don't know. I find like I love stand-up comedy, always have, and like I watch a lot, and there are people who are like genuinely saying terrible things, but they're good at writing, and so it comes off as funny and enjoyable. I feel like it's the difference between... Did you ever watch that? Like, no, it's not about being politically correct, though. Like Anthony Jeselnik, as an example, will say things that are, like, clearly unhinged and off the wall, and, like, you could easily take offense to a lot of them. But when I watch his stuff, I don't find him offensive at all. Or, like, even Jim Jeffries. Back in the day, like his original stuff, I mean, he was super offensive, but I don't know, it just wasn't, it was fun to watch for some reason. Even Chappelle, like I feel the same way about Chappelle. Like some people find him super offensive. Setting the tone, there you go, that's better. Because like Chappelle will say things that I could see why people would find offensive, but like I believe him when he says the things that he says about doing, doing it in a way that is like, that is just funny. Like, he just writes it well. So, yeah, depending on the tone, I think that does make a difference. Like, how you deliver it makes a huge difference. And there's some people, when they deliver it, it just sounds like they're just being jerks. And that's just not funny, usually. But you can be crude and crass and politically incorrect and still come across as funny and enjoyable. Because, like, don't get me wrong, I have nothing wrong with, like, dark humor. Like, I'm all about it. Sign me up. troubled childhoods, you know. No, I'm just kidding. Come on, I just want to win this game. I'm a great writer. I just never invested in the skill. No interest in doing so. I mean, it's a good skill to have. Writing, you can translate writing into anything. I wish I wrote more. I used to write a lot, and just like everything, I just get busy and forget things. And then instead of writing, I play tape to tape. But yeah, writing is a great skill to have. There we go. You can do a lot with writing. Like you can just apply, you can apply that level of being able to put your thoughts down coherently and clearly. That's the same. You can apply that to like anything that you do. Oh, you punk. Day 25, I'll try to get an MC battle. I'm basically talking mad shit with it. Yeah? Like, so the 25th of this month? Like in 4 days, you're going to get in a battle? Dude, you should start streaming. You could do live stream rap battles. I'd watch that. I'd watch a live stream rap battle. Oh. Okay, I just need one more goal. This is it. Oh. How much time do I have? 50 seconds for one goal. Okay, here we go. Or if they score a goal, though, they win. I just need this. I need to finish this game, and I want to win. Don't want to lose. Oh, come on. Well, that was a risky, risky pass, my man. Okay, here we go. This is it. No, he missed it. Flip. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. How much time do we have? 25 seconds? Okay, this is it. It's in the hood, you know? Where shit happens. It will be streamed on Instagram? Okay, well, that's cool. Okay, I needed to win that. And then, unfortunately, I got to call it because I got to get ready for the kids to come home. But I'm coming back every day. Don't let me forget. If it's 3 o'clock and I'm not on here, you should yell at me so that I come back on. But this was awesome. Thank you, Loki. I know you're probably gone, but thank you for the raid earlier. That was awesome. I think that's one of like the first times I've ever been raided, which was super cool. Just take your ADHD meds, man. I know. I did forget to take them today. Whoops. Can you tell that I forgot to take them today? Because I definitely did. But I appreciate everybody who swung by. This is so much fun. I can't wait to do it again tomorrow, and I will be here. So we're gonna do a couple fun things. We're gonna do a boot.dev soon because I'm gonna go back to doing some programming, even though I'm still quite terrible at it. But all right, thanks everybody for joining in. Appreciate you all, and I will see you tomorrow. He forgot he's ending the stream. I did forget. I didn't forget. Hey, man. Cut me some slack, all right? Cut me some slack. All right. I'll talk to you.